Let's now go to combined hot and cold patterns, exploring the coexistence and diagnostic challenges of temperature patterns in TCM. Hot and cold patterns from fundamental concept in TCM, representing opposing forces that influence health. Recognizing these patterns is essential for accurate diagnosis and effective treatment, as they can manifest simultaneously, leading to complex clinical presentations. Understanding combined patterns. Combined patterns in TCM refer to the simultaneous presence of heat and cold manifestations within the body. This coexistence can arise from various underlying conditions, leading to complex interplay of symptoms that must be accurately diagnosed for effective treatment. Recognizing the manifestations of both heat and cold is crucial for accurate diagnosis and treatment. Failure to identify these combined symptoms can lead to misdiagnosis and inappropriate treatment plans, potentially worsening the patient's condition. Common scenarios where combined patterns occur include conditions such as kidney yang deficiency with damp heat in the bladder and spleen yang deficiency with liver fire. These examples illustrate how different organs can exhibit both heat and cold symptoms simultaneously. Common situations of coexisting patterns: kidney yang with damp heat, spleen yang with liver fire, contradictory symptoms observed. Examples of coexisting hot and cold symptoms. Cold sensation with red face. Patient may experience a cold sensation throughout their body while simultaneously presenting with a red face, indicating the presence of both cold and heat patterns. This juxtaposition demonstrates the complexity of diagnosis in TCM. Thirst despite cold sensation. Despite feeling cold overall, patients may still exhibit thirst, which is a typical symptom of heat. This contradiction highlights the importance of understanding the coexistence of hot and cold patterns in diagnosis and treatment. Other contradictory symptoms may include a combination of fever and chills, or a warm sensation in one part of the body while feeling cold in another. Recognizing these signs is crucial for effective treatment. Understanding true cold and false heat. True cold and false heat represent a complex interaction where symptoms may suggest one condition while the underlying cause reflects another. This phenomenon typically occurs in extreme cases and is critical to distinguish in clinical practice for accurate diagnosis and treatment. Understanding true heat and false cold. True heat and false cold are conditions that can present contradictory signs and symptoms, complicating diagnosis. It is essential to differentiate between them as true heat indicates an actual presence of heat within the body, while false cold may appear similar but lacks the underlying heat condition. Combined patterns occur when both heat and cold manifestations coexist in different organs, leading to contradictory symptoms. For instance, a patient may exhibit signs of damp heat in the bladder while also showing cold in the spleen, which reflects the complexity of the body state. False symptoms, such as false heat and false cold, present as misleading indicators, where the symptoms do not represent true underlying conditions of heat or cold. These occurrences are rare and usually arise in extreme conditions where the tongue diagnosis helps to clarify the actual state. The importance of tongue diagnosis in hot and cold patterns. Tongue diagnosis is a crucial tool in traditional Chinese medicine for discerning the true state of heat and cold within the body. The color of the tongue body serves as a key indicator, where a red tongue typically signifies heat, while a pale tongue indicates cold, aiding in accurate diagnosis and treatment. Understanding empty heat and empty cold. Empty heat refers to a condition where there is a deficiency of yin, leading to internally generated heat sensation despite the lack of true excess heat. It is characterized by symptoms such as dryness, thirst, and a red tongue. This condition indicates a weakened yin that cannot adequately cool the body. Empty cold arises from a deficiency of yang, leading to a sensation of cold in the body, despite the absence of true coldness. Symptoms may include fatigue, aversion to cold, and a pale tongue. It signifies that the body's yang energy is insufficient to warm the body. Distinguishing between empty heat cold and false heat cold is crucial. Empty heat and empty cold result from deficiencies in yin and yang, respectively, whereas false heat and false cold are misleading appearances with no actual excess heat or cold present. Accurate diagnosis is essential for effective treatment. Clinical manifestations of false heat and false cold. Understanding diagnosis science related to heat and cold patterns is crucial for effective treatment. A red tongue signifies the presence of heat, indicating a heat condition that requires attention. A pale tongue reflects cold, suggesting underlying cold patterns that must be addressed. Accurate diagnosis is essential for effective treatment. Distinguishing between true and false symptoms aids in proper care. Key insights on combined hot and cold patterns. Understanding the coexistence of hot and cold patterns is crucial in TCM. These patterns often manifest simultaneously, leading to contradictory symptoms that necessitate careful diagnosis and differentiation between true and false indicators. Thank you for your attention.